Hi people, music lovers, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I thought we should really start from the very beginning, the cello and its parts. So today we'll talk about the theory part of the cello. I'll show you some parts, and some of them you already know them, and some of them probably you just ignore them. Okay, there we go. I'll start with the bow, my favorite part of this instrument. So the bow has a lot of parts that we might not think of. We have this part. These are called hairs. The hairs. Some are made of sisal. Some are made out of the horse ponytail. And then this is just a stick. And then you have this part called the frog, and then you have this part called the screw. And sometimes, okay, I just tied this thing. So the screw holds your hairs, tightens and lessens your, if you watch that, you see what is happening to the hairs. And then if I close, it stiffens. So it tightens like that. Alright, so it depends on how tight you want it to be or how loose you want it to be. Alright, so this bow is divided in three parts when playing. There is this part. The first part is called the tip, T-I-P, and then we have this part, the middle part, called the middle, and then we have this part which is named after the frog. So this is called the frog. That's about the bow. Alright, and then we come to the cello now. Start from up here. Up here, this part is called the scroll. From the ancient times, those books, they were using Bibles and so on. So this part is called the scroll. And then as you come down here, these are pegs. With the pegs, you have first peg, second peg, and fourth. And these pegs are named after the strings. I'll talk about the strings later on. So you have the strings, you have the fingerboard, and then this is the bridge, and then we have the tailpiece. This is the tailpiece, and then these are fine tuners, and then this is the end pin. So apart from this, you also have these are called sound holes or F holes. They act like a speaker to your cello, right? This is just called the top, and then these are called shoulders. This is the language that we use when teaching this instrument. So you need to know each and every part, as in most of the videos, this is the language that we'll use throughout. So make sure you are aware of these parts. Alright, then this is called the rib or the C note because of the shape it is made like. And then this is called the neck. So I said I'll talk about the pegs in detail. So if this is A string, this is D string, this is G string, this is C string. So the pegs as well are named after the strings. The pegs lower here, the last two, you have this peg here, which is for this outside string. You have the other lower peg here, which is for the outside string on this side. And then you have that peg up there and the other up there. So the one up here is for the inside first string, and the second peg up here is for the inside other string from this side as well. Okay, so these are the parts on the cello. I already talked about the bridge. So the same applies here. The fine tuners are there to give you the perfect pitch that you need. These will just give you an estimation of what you want, but this will specifically give you what you want. So the first one there is named after C string, the second one is named after G string, the third one is named after D string, and the last one as well named after A string. So all these and those, they are there to help you when tuning. It just depends on how good you are with listening. If you can translate the sound that you get from either a piano, recorder, or the other cello, if you're able to translate the sound from the other instrument to here, tuning is basically comparing the notes that you hear and the note that you have. So you have to follow the note that comes from the other instrument. Alright, so the instrument also has got positions. We'll talk about this in the next video. Please stay tuned, or rather follow or subscribe to my channel, and you'll be posted for this and many other videos. Please subscribe.